This is no Eswatini Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Bafana North, Eswatini North. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Hi, very, very disappointed. Like, I wasn't expecting like a game like this, you know. Like, you remember the game of Morocco versus South Africa? It was very, very good, you know. But then today, I'm very disappointed. It's like I'm watching amateurs games, you know, like traveling all the way and coming to this big venue like this, and we're having less than 10,000 supporters. It's very disappointing from my point of view. And like the caliber of players we are having, like, is promising, you know. But now the results, something else, you know.
Too bad.
Yeah, too very bad.
So what do you think the coach should do to change, the mood in the camp?
Not from the campsite, from the motivating the players that you don't have to like take like countries, other countries very small. Like, you know, you have to take every game seriously. Like, as if you are playing like France. You remember they beat us 5-0. So they have to take that game seriously, which in every country that you are counted. Yeah.
Now, do you think we're gonna come out alive in Ivory Coast if we play like this at home?
From a point of view, because you are playing away, they're gonna show them that you're gonna be the host and gonna be the visitors. But then don't undermine us, because we are underdogs. We know we are underdogs. But then we're gonna be here in a few months to come. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna play.
Yeah. No, thank you very much, my brother.
Thanks. Thank you.
Itara, sure.